What is Chat GPT, or more precisely, Chat GPT, a simple explanation for non-geeks, is the focus of this very short discussion. For starters, it is not something to be afraid of. I tell you this because when I start the explanation, you're going to throw up your hands and run screaming for the woods. Because after all, I did promise a simple, non-techy explanation, and that's what you're going to get. Okay, let's get it out of the way. ChatGPT is an AI, artificial intelligence tool, but you don't need to know anything about AI to be able to use it. It is basically a chatbot that can respond to your simple and not so simple commands. It is an online website, basically, that anyone, including folks like you and me, can register for and start using to help with mundane tasks. It won't be able to get you your coffee in the morning, but it will be able to clean up your writing if you tend to be not the best of writers. And by the way, the correct way to write Chat GPT is without a space. And also, in case you're wondering, Chat GPT stands for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer. But you don't need to know that to use this tool. Interested in learning more in a non-techy way, we recently did a slightly longer broadcast explaining in more detail what ChatGPT can and cannot do for you. You can watch I Tried ChatGPT, what it can and cannot do for you right now using the link that will appear momentarily on YouTube and is in the show notes below. I appreciate the support you show by giving us a thumbs up, subscribe, share, or leaving a comment. Good luck.